Security's really high. Look at that. There's a whole carrier task force out there.
It just doesn't seem very safe. What if it explodes in the atmosphere?
That's why we're launching it from the middle of nowhere, Karen.
Look, it's risky, Ed. This isn't just another payload. That thing's carrying plutonium.
Phase 3 expansion of the Jamestown colony. Ignition sequence. Start. 5, 4, 3, 2...